What is up, guys? Welcome back to the...
Pag-vlog ka.
Bakit?
Dati sa TV lang kita napapanood.
Ngayon...
Ngayon sa totoo. What's up, guys?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be installing something I've been wanting to install for a while now. Right, Mark?
Yes.
So, this is something I got from Honda. Wait. From Honda. And it is the 2014 Grille. And then I have something which is the original red H emblem. This is my grill right now, which is the 2012. So we're gonna be putting this on. Alright, so we'll pop the hood. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take off these two Allen bolts so we could take off the grill. So we're gonna need a 5 Allen wrench to take these off. So like that. One more here. Alright, and then with a flat head, we're gonna take this off and then this off right now. Right, so these clips, these 4 clips, we're gonna be putting it onto the new one. So I gotta take them off as well. Alright, so these are good to go and can take them off. I got the old grill off, as you can see. And the hardest part was taking off the clips here. Those 4 clips, because they're pretty hard to get into. They're just these type of clips. Oh, that's not a clip. They're these type of clips. What I did was, while it was on, what I did was reach into here, that first clip, and then I went to that clip all the way there, and then after that it was much easier to move this, so I went with this, and then last was the clip here. So there are 4 clips to take these off. Now I'm gonna put this on. Well, actually, the red H. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this on first. Alright, so I checked the old grill and it has old screws, so I think I'm just gonna take the old screws and then put it onto here. Right now I'm gonna take off the bracket screws. Alright, so I finished taking off the old screws from the old grill, and I'll be placing them back on the new grill. The old brackets actually had screws in them too, so I'm gonna transfer the screws here. Alright, so this is the new grill with the new bracket, and I'm gonna use the old screw. So there's one screw here, 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 and here. So there's a whole bunch that I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so I got the grill, I got the brackets on, but I'm not putting it on yet because I have to modify the red H a bit because it has points at the back. Alright, see? You see how there's pegs here? It does not fit into those at all. It's pretty far actually. I don't know if you guys could see, but like, it's pretty far. The holes are not fit. So we're gonna take off the pegs. So I'm gonna cut it off right now, and then we're just gonna use the tape to hold on to this, because I don't want to drill into the grill. I might mess up or something, so I'm gonna just modify this one instead, although It's kind of a waste though. But my dad said take it off, so we're gonna take it off right now. Alright, so it's a good thing my cousin's here because he's helping me with the grill thing. Look at all the mess I made right now. My cousin's helping me right here take off the pegs. The grill. Damn. Damn, look at that. Original red H emblem. Alright, so now we're gonna put the clips at the bottom, clips at the top, put the rubber thing, then done for the front. We'll move on to the rear emblem. Alright, so put it on, got the clips underneath. Now just a matter of putting these here, the screws. So let's do that right now. Look at that, guys. Done. Clips under here that were pain in the butt are done. Red H need some buffing. Done. What else? Clips. I dropped one. Not done yet, so I'm gonna do that right now. And damn, that does look good. Galing. Look at that. Now it's just the rear emblem. For the rear, my dad already put on the masking tape, so we know where we're gonna put it. Right there. So now it's a matter of just taking off the emblem right now. Alright, so I lightly cleaned it, took off a bit of the residue tape, and now I'm just gonna put the emblem on. Alright, so now the rear emblem, let's see if it fits. My cousin and I are just gonna shave off this, or take it off, whatever it's called, and get back. Right, so look at that, flat. Now I'm just gonna put it on. Alright, tapos na. That's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. That's about all we did. So the emblem looks good. And then we go to here. Just go, yeah. And look at that. So I like how the 2014 grill looks. Hope you guys did too. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And see you guys on the next mod that we'll be doing with the car. So thank you for watching.